Number one, you have to be a bit bullish, meaning that you have to be very, very aggressive about what you want to achieve. You have to understand investors normally are looking for a big fish, somebody that can make the millions. And if you're coming with a proposition that is focusing at a very small market, you probably have not got a good chance of winning. So you have to be a bit bullish as to what you can achieve in the market you're targeting. I think the second thing that's very important when talking with investors is that you have a very compelling and I would say differentiated story. So you have to understand that, let's say our investors, when we talked with them, he told me they look at about 500 to 1,000 business models and business plans every year. So if you want to be the one they select, you have to be special. Now, how can you be special? It could be the way how you've positioned your product. It could be the way how you intend to market it. But you have to have sort of a differentiated pitch to them.